Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our maths class. Today's topic, parallel and perpendicular lines. For our starter activity, identify the different lines. Lines 1, 2, 3, or 4. Pause the video, get a pencil and a paper to write your answers. Start. Time is up. Now, let's reveal the answers. Number 1 are parallel lines. Number 2, it's a vertical line. Number 3, horizontal line. And number 4, perpendicular lines. Did you get all the correct answers? Great job. Today, we are going to focus more on number 1 and number 4, which are parallel and perpendicular lines. Learning objective: to recognize the parallel and perpendicular lines. Success criteria: I can recognize the parallel lines. I can compare parallel lines and perpendicular lines in different 2D shapes. I can draw shapes and mark the parallel and perpendicular lines. I can explain the importance of parallel and perpendicular lines in daily life. Parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet, even if they carried on forever. They are always same distance apart. Can you identify which of these two lines is a parallel line or are parallel lines? Pause the video and think. Now let's reveal the answer. Okay, the two straight lines are called parallel lines. These lines never meet, even they carried on forever. Can you draw two parallel lines in your own paper? Now let's have perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines meet at right angles. This is when a line is at exactly 90 degrees to another line. Can you identify which is a perpendicular line? Pause the video and think for your answer. Let's reveal the answers. The answer is the first two lines. They form exactly 90 degrees. They are called perpendicular lines. Can you point out in any object at home that has perpendicular lines? Good job. Now, go and find parallel and perpendicular lines around your house. Take a look at the examples here on the top. We have here the socket, and we have here a kite that forms a perpendicular line. Can you think of another examples? Pause the video and write down 5 examples. Time is up. Now, let's move to our first activity. Identify the lines if parallel or perpendicular. Pause the video and do the activity. Time is up. Now, let's reveal the answers. Number 1, it's not a parallel nor a perpendicular. Number 2, perpendicular lines. Number 3, not a parallel nor a perpendicular line. Can you tell me why? Because it doesn't form exactly 90 degrees. Number 4, parallel lines. Number 5, perpendicular lines. Number 6, parallel lines. Number 7, not a parallel nor perpendicular lines. And number 8, it's a perpendicular line. Did you get all the correct answers? Still you got any confusions? Again, perpendicular lines meet, but they formed 90 degrees angle, while parallel lines do not meet. Even they carried on until the end because they have the same distance. Now, Let's try our main activity. These worksheets can be accessed at the assignment at the MS Teams. Work on your task there. Task 1, you have to identify if it's parallel or perpendicular. Number 2, you have to draw a line to form perpendicular or parallel lines. And task 3, you have to draw 2 parallel lines and 2 perpendicular lines. Work on your own pace, and please work on the assignment tabs. Now I'll leave you with this activity. I hope you have learned something today. Enjoy learning and always remember, be the best you can. Till next time, bye.